What if the sun disappeared for just 5 seconds? Imagine you're standing outside on a bright sunny day, when suddenly, everything goes black. Not night, not clouds, just nothing. And then, 5 seconds later, the sun is back, like nothing ever happened. But what really just happened? We take the sun for granted. It's just there, rising, setting, keeping us warm and lighting up our lives. But what if just for 5 seconds it vanished? 5 seconds doesn't sound like much, right? You can blink 5 times in 5 seconds. You can tie your shoelaces. But if the sun disappeared for that short amount of time, the universe would remind us how delicate and miraculous our everyday reality really is. Here's the first mind-blowing part. We wouldn't even notice at first. Why? Because light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. That means if the sun disappeared right now, we'd still see it shining, just like always, for the next 8 minutes. So if the sun vanished for 5 seconds, Earth wouldn't see that darkness until 8 minutes later. But when that moment hit, it would be like someone turned off reality itself. Imagine Times Square at 2:43 p.m. Suddenly, every light dies. Cars freeze, people scream, streetlights try to kick in, but they're not fast enough. It's not nighttime, it's nothingness. And it's not just light. Gravity plays by the same rule. The sun's gravity also takes 8 minutes to reach us. So during those 5 seconds of disappearance, Earth keeps orbiting like nothing's wrong. But in space, everything would be in chaos. Planets, asteroids, comets, they'd all feel that sudden pause in gravitational pull. Like a dancer missing their partner's hand mid-spin. If the sun didn't return, we'd start drifting into the void. But since it comes back just before the 5-second mark is up, we never notice the loss of gravity either. It's like pressing pause on a movie and then resuming before anyone notices. Now here's where it gets eerie. Once those 8 minutes pass, Earth would finally catch up to what happened. A global blackout, no sunlight, no warmth, just an invisible shadow over the entire planet. Animals would panic, birds would fall silent. Nocturnal creatures might peek out, confused. People would freeze, not from cold, but from fear. Planes might reroute. Power grids could surge as solar panels go dead. And then, light returns. Boom. The sun is back in the sky, like a miracle. People would fall to their knees, cry, celebrate, or question everything. In just 5 seconds, hidden behind an 8-minute delay, we reminded that our existence is hanging by threads we can see. The sun isn't just a burning ball of gas. It's life, it's order, it's time, rhythm, energy, gravity, light, everything. And if it ever truly left us even for a blink, we wouldn't survive long. So next time you step outside and feel the sunlight on your skin, take a second to realize that warmth left the sun 8 minutes ago, and it traveled across 93 million miles just for you. Now let me ask you this. If you had only 5 seconds of darkness before the light returned, what would you think about in that silence? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this blew your mind even a little. Because the universe is full of mysteries like this. And we're just getting started. Nothing. And then, 5 seconds later, the sun is back. Like nothing ever happened. But what really just happened?